Silver Viking here, back with another unbagging of a coin. And today we're gonna look at this one. It's it's a 2014. I didn't know I bought that old. The things you learn. This is not like the newer ones. It's kind of like a brushed aluminum look in the background, and Elizabeth is pretty mirrory, but I had to have it because of that amazing looking bird. 999 silver, also brushed background, give it a good contrast to the bird. I really like the Canadian coins, so good looking. It would be a good tattoo, I guess. Even if it's 2014, I like the look actually. I like the brushed metal look in the background. Brings out the detail in the bird at least. We have something saying here, not sure if it says Ed or something. Looks like Ed, but still a real nice coin, yet again from Canada. They know what they're doing for sure. And sorry Elizabeth from 2014, but now you have to feel the magnet. She approves yet again. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys next time.